Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I have this easy curl bar and it's definitely my favorite piece of equipment to use on myself and my clients.
I really like this piece of gym equipment because you can just use the bar. The bar weighs 15 pounds, so it will give you a workout if you do not have any weight plates to add. It works a lot of different muscle groups, including your arms, back, shoulders. I also really love how easy it is to take off and on weights. You just turn it, take it off, put it on, snap it shut, locks in place really tight.
Whether you're just starting off or if you're advanced, I think that you would really love this bar. If you want to add diversity to your workouts, more fun, more strength training and weightlifting, this is definitely the product for you. But that's my point of view.